Design-ready controls implemented shop floor entry roughly 9 going on 10 years ago. Before we had it, everything was run off of a paper Excel schedule, and those things are only as accurate as when you printed them. We reached a point where we said we have to do something different. And so we started initially by defining all the work centers, then we put them in a logical order that matched the flow of the panel. And we turned this thing on and we ran the two in parallel just to make sure the wheels were on tight. So, okay, all my orders are present in the spreadsheet as well as in M1 shop floor entry. And then came the process of stealing all the paper schedules away from people that had been using them for years and pointing them towards the interface on their computer screen. What it allowed us to do is be flexible, adapt to our customer needs, and communicate job priority to everybody very quickly. We quickly realized a secondary benefit was the labor tracking and kind of labor efficiencies, which is really important to us in terms of how we spend our labor dollars and if we're being efficient. We could tell when people were clocked into an operation, they were doing direct labor, and we could compare that time with the standard we had assigned for that particular operation. So if we're having an issue somewhere, it keeps it focused on the numbers. This is exceeding the budget for the labor we expected. And so it's allowed us just to use really good information to manage our complicated shop floor procedures and problems. So now that's something that we're able to run daily to tell the trajectory of each of our 4 factories. How are we doing from a variable labor standpoint? And it's a wonderful additional benefit you get after you accomplish the prioritization of jobs.